This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we're going to do a chicken and veggie stir fry in a taro root basket. So this is what it looks like. I'll show you how to make this delicious dish. This is also known as a taro root bird's nest. If you don't want to use the taro root, I'll show you how to make a potato bird's nest. So this is the taro root. It's a common vegetable that we use in Chinese cooking. Well, we're going to cut the taro root. Just use a knife, cut along the outside on the skin. You can use a potato peeler too, but I like to use a knife. So just cut off the outside skin. So just cut the taro root into a smaller piece here. So we're going to slice it first. So just cut the taro root into a shoestring size, just like potatoes. So you need about 2 or 3 cups of shoestring taro root. You can make this recipe using potatoes. Just use 2 or 3 russet potatoes. I think you only need about 2 potatoes here. I had 3 ready, but I think there's more than enough to make a potato nest. So we have these baskets for strainers. We're going to use these for deep frying. So these are 2 different sizes. It's ideal to have both the same size, but these 2 will still work. So you put the smaller strainer on top so the taro root doesn't rise to the surface. So this basket comes right off when you put a spatula underneath it. Put the bird's nest on a plate. Potatoes that turned out really nice, it's really crispy. So you just take a knife and just tap the sides. That will help loosen it up a little bit. So you're going to take off the bird's nest right now. So I just use my spatula, it comes off pretty easy. So you just want to cut the chicken breast into large pieces, about 1 inch square. So just like that. We're going to make a quick marinade here. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of sesame oil, a tablespoon of light soy sauce, a tablespoon and a half of cornstarch, and I'm going to put about 5 or 6 tablespoons of cooking oil. So just mix up the chicken for the marinade. You preheat a pan for a wok at medium heat. We're going to put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. I'm going to put a couple tablespoons of sliced ginger. So give that a quick stir. So next you put down the onions. Onions are aromatics. So put the onions down. So I'm making two of these baskets. One with potato and the other one with the taro root. Turn on the heat to high. So just give that a good 30-second sear. I'm going to add a little sesame oil to the chicken there. Put a teaspoon or less of salt. I've got the Mediterranean sea salt. So put about a teaspoon or less if you prefer. So I cut the chicken into fairly big pieces so you don't have to take the chicken out. You can just add the veggies right now. So just let the chicken continue to sear. So I've got some mushrooms, I've got some green peppers, I got some red peppers. So just continue to stir fry. Put a bit of soy sauce in there, maybe 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oyster flavor sauce. Put a cup of water in there. So my spatula is about a 1/4 cup right there. So give that a final stir fry. So put about a tablespoon of cornstarch in 1/3 cup of water. You probably don't need all the cornstarch. Just get a bit of a light sauce there. You don't want too much. Just to coat the chicken like that. So you got your bird's nest already. So just put some of that chicken and veggies into the bird's nest. So put some of the veggies on top. There you have it. Chicken and veggie stir fry in a taro root crispy basket. Enjoy. So just put the stir fry in the middle of the potatoes bird's nest. There you have it. Chicken and veggie stir fry in a crispy potato bird's nest. Enjoy.